that's how we're gonna start the video. We're here at Checkeditout Chicago 22, so we're in the Fulton Market. Pretty cool. I actually was really proud of my setup, so I'm gonna show you guys that. This backpack, which I'll talk about another time maybe, has everything that I need for today's shoot. This is my gimbal broken apart. My gimbal is literally sitting in there with I have another film camera in the back right there, and then my other film camera and all the equipment that I need, including a backup camera, 2 lenses right here, and everything else that I need. So I'm actually really proud of this setup, and that way I don't have to bring everything in to the event. Anyway, today we're gonna go see a lot of classic Porsches. I've never been to Checked It before. We're just gonna see how it goes, I guess. Right? Anything else? Oh, there's this one and those 2. Nice. It's on LMGT. I don't see EJ, but I think he's here. I don't see why he wouldn't be here. Little tri-body, nice. Oh, this guy's cool. He's got like a little bike on there. Huh? Which one? Oh, this one? Plaid interior. That's pretty. That's pretty cool. So we've made it inside, and I don't recognize any of them yet. But there's these nice ones on some TEs. Hello. There's so much happening. It's crazy. But look at everything. There's like classic 993s here, and then all these super classic cars. I know it's going to be really hard to hear me right now, but there's like, I've never been surrounded by so many, and it's really cool to see. Like, they're everywhere. And the blue. Look at that blue. That's crazy. A GT3 RS is like a dream, so I mean, you know. Really cool. On like some BTSs. Yeah.
But just absorb a lot of great photography footage.
Yeah, there's so much.
Go for it. Yeah.
I will. Yeah. I will. There's so much here. Where are you at?
I'm in there.
Oh, you are in there?
Yes. It's the look for the VRT. Okay. It's the Voice-Steiner car.
Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Voice-Steiner
on the left side, I think, so I didn't see.
Yeah. Take a look at it.
So yeah, I guess we ended up running into EJ anyway. So we were looking for him. So he is here. He said his car was inside, but I didn't see it actually. So we'll check in to find it. Wow, that black one looks so pretty. Anyway, my goal for this is actually, we're gonna walk around the show a little bit, kind of like hang out, and then I'm gonna film the actual feature. There's a lot going on. I don't know Porsches well enough to know anything about them. I know a little bit, but I couldn't say that I'm like up there, you know? But that's okay. I'm just here absorbing it. Yep, 918 sitting there. I don't know what that is at all, but it's cool. But this is pretty sweet to see. Man, this is great showing. Shout out Road Fun. These are my same ones, except these are a 2-piece, it looks like. But the red interior on this one goes crazy. Ah, I need that water bottle. Actually, I tried to buy an Art of Attack water bottle today, but I was late and forgot about it, low-key, so oops. But this looks so cool. Look at the plate. Just decided to check the food truck box, but it's actually pretty sweet. There's a Korean daikon, Filipino. Oh, that's pretty cool. And that Rainbow Cone. Maybe we should go because we've never been to Rainbow Cone. Well, I haven't, I guess. Maybe we've talked about it. Maybe we should go. It's gonna be impossible to hear me, but that purple GT3 is crazy. I'll do a slow-mo of it like right now. Oh god, so close to the curb there. A lot of cars are starting to leave a little bit, so I'm going to stop vlogging and I'm going to do the feature film. Usually my feature films come out first, So go ahead and look for that. I'm gonna leave it right here. It's currently 2:45, so if you were here or you left before 2:45, sorry you're not in it. But okay, bye.
He learned on that platform, so he bought 3. This was the only manual, so it was his personal car. Learned how to carbon fiber fabricate.
Wow.
And we know where that skill went. It's Gunther Works today, asking $1 million for each of those Gunther Works cars. So that's his personal car. So I brought it here because the story ties with the unveiling of the 993 in Monterey. Of the turbo. So
I heard
the
about that.
Yeah, it's like, look at where Peter started to where Peter, like you said in your video, you just got to work at it, right? Make the connections, ask, get your name out there, learn.
Absolutely.
And where's Gunther Works today? $1 million bucks a pop.
Right.
That's so cool.
So that's the story behind that one.
That's awesome.
So
Yeah.
AJ, good to see you,
you
man.
too, man.
Good to see you.
Keep grinding it.
I will.
Yeah,
I will.
Great work.
Bye.
See you again. Have fun.
Thank
Right?
you. We will.
West Loop.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a good time. Good time.
All right.
See ya.
See you guys.
You guys can kind of hear me, kind of not, but my camera is still on my gimbal right now, so kind of deal with me while I can't look at you. But this is the car that EJ was just talking about. This is that Vorsteiner build. But yeah, look at that. That's pretty sweet. And it just, oh, it's so nice. That clock in there, you can't see it, but it's like right there. It's so cool. That is pretty cool. Oh look, it says BRT on the back. Cruising, nice. I'm gonna try to get EJ's car film. For the channel who hasn't seen this before, I don't think I've introduced my film camera. Or I did, but I don't think that video came out. But anyway, this is a Mamiya 500 DTL. Super pretty. I've got a 50-1.8 on it. I f***ed up the first roll, so it'll be good later. So once again, my camera's on my gimbal right now, so I'm kind of commenting to you. But I guess this race car isn't moving, or they don't want to drive it, clearly. I don't think it's legal to drive. So they're just going to move it on the bed. Trek 22 was really fun. There was a lot going on. Actually, like 350 registered Porsches there, and I only got primarily inside, some of the people outside, but there were like all of the blocks around there on like Madison that were completely locked up with other Porsches too, so it's really hard to like capture everybody. To be honest, I'm not too sure about what the race car was or what other Porsches were, but there's a lot of really cool things there, so I'm sure that you guys can actually educate me on Porsches, because I don't know enough. But being around EJ and them, I want to learn a lot more about it. There seems to be so much to know, because people were naming off numbers like 914s, 996s. I know a little bit, but not anything old, especially the more classic Porsches, to be honest with you. But I appreciate them. The body lines and everything that they get to do are really pretty. So that is about it. I'm gonna pack up all my stuff and then we're gonna go get food. It's not super secret if you know about it, but I'm not gonna disclose where it is, just because it's really cool. So I have the car staged up, ready to go, but I'm really hoping that you guys get to see everything and enjoy it. So that's about it for me today. Enjoy this feature, and I will see you guys on the other side.